Hello, it is Jack. Yeah. I will eat some ice. Let me go get some. Here's the ice. There's a lot. I'm going to make a snow cone. Yeah. In my belly. Yeah. Giggle, giggle. Yeah. I shall eat the ice now. One fish line in the mouth. Yeah. That was good. Yeah. I shall eat some more. I will try for 2 pieces in my mouth. Yeah. Oh no, I've got too many. I've got one in my mouth. Yeah, and one on my face. I'm going blind. Ooh, it looks pretty, y'all. Through the ice, I think I shall eat it now. Yeah. I shouldn't really talk with my mouth full. Yeah. It is very good, yes. It is normally cold, but I am from Antarctica. Yeah. So I'm used to it. Yeah. I think I'll save the rest for later. Ice is so good. Tasty water, y'all. Good boy, y'all.